Hello everybody. My swapping bucket for snowblower on Bobcat 463 video generated a lot of comments concerning the way I smashed my quick connect couplers with a hammer to get them to connect. I knew it was a bad thing to bang on the couplers, but it worked. I thank everybody who gave suggestions in the comments how to do it correctly. A few comments suggested before I disconnect an attachment that I should turn the power on, not start the Bobcat, and then toggle my auxiliary lever to reduce the pressure in the hydraulic lines. It was even pointed out that the newer machines had a switch, just for the purpose of reducing pressure when removing the attachment. Unfortunately, my Bobcat 463 is too old, there's no switch. Toggling my auxiliary lever didn't seem to help me any. Maybe it's something to do with my attachment? I'm not sure. A couple comments suggested to use a tool, which you can make yourself or buy, that clamps the fitting and then it presses into the coupler and lets the fluid out to reduce the pressure. This then allows the attachment hoses to connect to the Bobcat. The videos on the subject looks like it would work, but I dislike losing fluid each time. Some comments suggested use a shovel or hire somebody. Oh well, I don't like shovels and I'm a do-it-yourself kind of guy. There was some comments about a tool called IRWIN QC-Mate by XBOOM. This tool is basically a strong bar clamp that will pull the male and female quick connect couplers together. Doesn't matter if there's pressure on the lines, it will just pull them together. This looked promising, so I ordered one from Amazon. The tool has arrived, so today I will try it out. First I will use the tool to pull the connectors together so that I can remove them. And lastly, use the QC-Mate to reconnect the couplers. So let's get started. This is the tool. The IRWIN QC-Mate by XBOOM. I guess the XBOOM company made it out of the IRWIN clamp. I'm not positive. Why are you being so locked on there? There. I swear I didn't tighten it that much. Lots of ice. That's all I can think is ice. Yeah, that shouldn't be that tight. Paint your overheat gun. Feels like it's moving now. There we go. Get that cord of the road someplace here. Well, see, I should be able to push that in and loosen that, but See how there's a groove. Huh, not able to really show you that very clearly. Maybe if I lift the camera, it's already lifted. Oh well. Yeah.
So, did it work?
No, not yet.
Oh.
Does it work? This should come off by hand now. I got this tight. It's loosened. Hopefully when I take this off. Huh, that hose is almost right. Yeah, those are so, and they are oiled. I have oiled them, it's just this pressure. Now you can see the pipe pushed in here, the toes, the coupling. It's just, these are so stiff, I guess maybe because it's cold. Just cold. So that's like pretending that we just put the snowblower onto the machine. Now I worry about something.
Getting them on.
So I might as well do the bottom one first. See the pressure in lines, it won't go in. This is QC make planes. Wish I had a better angle for the camera. So folks, cross your fingers. Now remember, just this metal sleeve is, where'd you put the screwdriver? Is really cold, so it's not moving very good. I gotta, think it's just the pressure.
Can't see anything.
I'm gonna get another grip out of here.
Isn't
Oh
it
wait,
in?
maybe
Isn't
it's
it
in. No.
No.
It's a hydraulic pressure. So, we'll try this again. I gotta stand up and put in more pressure on here. Well, folks, it's not as easy as it's supposed to be. See, that's so stiff. I don't know, try heating it up.
Grease.
See, now it's moving at least. Must be just thick oil, you know how I lubricated it.
Yeah.
Just turning it to make sure. Some models have a little pin groove. This doesn't have it. Okay, that's moving now at least. Let's try it again. There, see how it snapped?
Yeah.
That's how it's supposed to work. The original problem was just now the problem, not the original
Cold.
problem. Too cold, yeah.
Maybe the other one's gonna have to be warmed up first before you get it.
Alright, well, this one moves. That one didn't move at all. There's still pressure. You can't move it on just my hand unless I get my hammer out again. You don't want my hammer again? It's already, did you see it?
Yeah. So the tool works. It'll work in the spring when you change the stuff over, when it's warmer.
Right now, it's 20 some below outside.
Yeah.
So these are, the oil that's in there is very thick. That was causing me trouble. Not the hydraulic oil, but the lubrication that I put. So that's it. That tool works. And it'll save me from banging with the hammer and pissing all my subscribers off. Because they're right though, I mean seriously. You're not supposed to bang. This time I'm looking closer. In here there's a tiny pin, and a fat pin. So when we put this on the first time, I wasn't looking close enough. I got the fat pin hole right here. Just gotta tighten it now. I felt it go into the groove. That's it. Wow. It was still work, but not because the tool took time to work. It was my understanding of the oil being so thick. Yeah. I'm going to start it up and test it, but I'm sure it's going to work. Right now, this Bobcat has to be plugged in. If it's not plugged in, even before the snow came in the cool fall, it won't start. It has to be plugged in. This is because my glow plugs are all finished. I burned out. I tested the fuse is good. So in the spring, if you subscribe, you'll automatically know. In the spring, I have to take it apart again. I gotta lift the cab up, which is, I don't like that job, but I gotta do it anyway. Lift the cab up, and that's where the engine is. And I'm gonna change the glow plugs so that it can start without having to plug it in all the time. So, I hope this video made some people happy instead of me smashing with a hammer and banging those couplings together. This tool looks like it's going to do the job. So I hope to see you in the spring when I change these glow plugs.